What did we do today? Let's see what we did today. Actually, today, my 1986 Hydra Sport bass boat, we did a little inside cleaning today because the walls were kind of rough. So I wanted to bring it back, take away all that lightness that was kind of in the fade. Kind of can see it a little in here. Bring this all to color. That metal flake all the way down. All I gotta do is put a nice little wax or something on it. I've done the inside, the cabinets, the walls, all the way around. Really, some WD-40 and then put on here. That'd be good. But yeah. So match the copper right there. Same shit I got around my neck. That's amazing that this color is actually copper. I'm into the copper right now. We doing the copper thing. So, if this was all faded, so hit all the way around. You can see a little portion right there. That's how it was. And this is how it is now. My dash was faded. My dash is back to life. Everything's looking good. I did the walls, those walls, because they was kind of faded. You know, carpet. Letting it drain right now. I did my little container. There's still a little right here, but basically it was just